students, today we are going to see chapter 4 combinatorics and mathematical induction. The basic concept in this chapter is permutation and combination. Before to know about permutation and combination, we should know what is factorial. Factorial, it is denoted by the sign this one. 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 1 into 2, that is 1 2s are 2, and 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3, 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Similarly, n factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 etc. up to n. So now we know what is factorial. Now let's go into the topic permutation and combination. You have 3 balls, ball 1, ball 2, ball 3. Your friend asking you to take 2 balls from these 3 balls. So you can take ball 1, ball 2 or ball 2, ball 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. So you have totally 6 possibilities. Consider 3 balls 1, 2, 3. So your friend asking you to take 2 balls from these 3 balls. So you can take ball 1, ball 2, ball 2, ball 3, ball 1, ball 3. So you have 3 possibilities here. So what you observed here is in permutation, repetition is allowed. That is 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. So repetition is allowed in permutation. But in combination, repetition is not allowed. And in permutation, order is matter, and in combination, order doesn't matter. So every time we cannot draw the balls like this and count. So for this purpose, we have formula for permutation and combination. Now let's see the formula for this. Permutation, it is denoted by the sign P, and n is total number of balls and r is the balls which we are going to take. N P r equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial, and n C r is the formula for combination. Similarly, n is the total number of ball and r is the ball which we are going to take. N C r equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Here you have 3 balls. So n equal to 3 and r is 2. N is 3, p 2. So n factorial is 3 factorial, n minus r factorial, that is 3 minus 2 factorial. You know 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 factorial is nothing but 1. So you have 6 possibilities. Similarly, in combination, n is 3 and r is 2. So NCR is 3, C 2. So that is 3 factorial by r factorial is 2 factorial, n minus r 3 minus 2 factorial. You know 3 factorial is 6 and 2 factorial is 2 into 1, that is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 factorial is 1. So 6 by 2 is 3. So you have 3 possibilities in combination. So we got the similar answer for this. So this is the difference between permutation and combination. In next class, we will see the problems based on this. Thank you.